Chapter 6, miscellaneous exercise 6, application of derivatives. We start with question number 3. The two equal sides of isosceles triangle with fixed base. This is an isosceles triangle. Let ABC be a triangle. ABC is isosceles triangle with fixed base B, and the other sides are, I will take x, decreasing at the rate of 3 cm per second. Dx by dt is given to you minus 3 cm per second. How fast the area is decreasing when two sides are equal to base? So you have to find how fast dA by dt is decreasing when x is equal to b. When x is equal to b. So let us draw a altitude to the base. So it becomes b by 2 and b by 2. B by 2 and b by 2. So what is the height? This is d. What is the height? H. AD is what? Using Pythagoras theorem, you find AD. So AD is equal to under root x square hypotenuse का square minus base का square b by 2 का whole square, and AD is height. So height is equal to, इसको स्क्वायर करेंगे तो ये 2 तो बाहर आ जाएगा, 1/2 4x square minus b square. So this is the height. So what is the area of triangle? A is equal to half base into height. So base is what? Base is what? B. Half base into height. So area of triangle half base is b and height is 1/2 under root 4x square minus b square. So area is b/4 under root 4x square minus b square. Now differentiate it with respect to time. dA by dt is equal to b/4 is constant. Root का क्या होता है डिफरेंशियल? 2 under root x. Instead of x, what is given? 4x square minus b square. 4x square का फिर करेंगे अपन तो it will become 8x and dx by dt. dx by dt. Now 4 to the 8. This will cut. So dx by dt. Now putting the values, and when dA by dt at x is equal to b. So it is dA by dt at x is equal to b. So b, instead of x you can write b upon 4 under root में b square minus b square into dx by dt is given to you minus 3 centimeter. So minus 3. So it becomes b square upon under root 3b. b स्क्वायर का b हो जाएगा इंटू माइनस आगे ले लीजिए इंटू 3. एक b से एक b कट गया, रूट 3 से रूट 3 कट गया. इट इज माइनस रूट 3b सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर पर सेकेंड. दिस माइनस shows that area is decreasing. Area is decreasing. Question 6. Find the intervals in which function fx is equal to 4 sin x minus 2x minus x cos x upon 2 plus cos x. You have to find increasing intervals and decreasing interval. The function is periodic, so I will take the interval 0, 2 pi. Now we have to find f dash x. First we arrange it. 4 sin x minus x common ले लीजिए. It is 2 plus cos x upon 2 plus cos x. Now fx, separate it. 4 sin x upon 2 plus cos x minus x 2 plus cos x upon 2 plus cos x. This will cut. Fx is equal to 4 sin x upon 2 plus cos x minus x. Now f dash x, apply u upon v rule, u upon v quotient rule. Denominator का square, square the denominator as it is. Differentiate of numerator, it 4 cos x minus numerator 4 sin x. डिफरेंशिएट ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर 2 का तो 0 हो जाएगा, cos का क्या होगा माइनस sin x. नाउ माइनस x का क्या हो जाएगा -1. नाउ टेक एलसीएम. इफ यू टेक एलसीएम इट बिकम्स f dash x is equal to 4. You can take out common या multiplied it. 4 to the 8 cos x plus 4 cos square x minus minus plus 4 sin square x, and if you multiply whole square it becomes, and outside is minus, so it becomes -4 minus cos square x minus 4 cos x minus 4 cos x upon 2 plus cos x का whole square. Now here you can see that 8 cos x and minus 4 cos x, so it is 4 cos x. f dash x is equal to 4 cos x. 8 में से 4 गया, this and this 4 cos square and this becomes 4 plus 4, this becomes -4 and minus cos square x upon 2 plus cos x का whole square. Now 4 cancel out. F dash x is equal to cos x common, so it becomes 4 minus cos x upon 2 plus cos x का whole square. Now f dash x is equal to 0. You see that cos x 4 minus cos x is equal to 0. We know that 4 not equals to cos x because value of cos x between 0 and -1 and 0 and -1 and 1. So we will take cos x is equal to 0. So cos x, so x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Put n is equal to 0, 1, 2. You see that if I put 0, it becomes pi by 2. If I put 1, it becomes 3 pi by 2, and pi by 2 is outside the range. So the value is, here it is 0, pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, and 2 pi. 2 pi. So we have to find the f dash x in between 0 and 2 pi. So I will do it here. First interval I take 0 to pi by 2. Second I will take, you can take closed interval because it is not strictly, it is increasing. Pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. Now check here, f dash x is, if I take pi by 4 in this f dash x, where is our f dash x? If I take x is equal to pi by 4, suppose, तो it is 0 भी ले लेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा 0 0 0. It is greater than, ये 0 हो गया, ये 4 हो गया, 0 हो गया, 2 हो गया. pi by 2 0 पे 1 होता है, तो ये क्या हो गया greater than or equal to 0. Here you can take pi. cos pi लीजिए, cos pi क्या होता है -1. So -1 ये नेगेटिव आ गया, pi लेते ही this, if I take this pi it becomes -1. If numerator is minus, denominator is positive, overall is negative. So f dash x is less than or equal to 0. Again you check on this f dash x. If you take 2 pi in between these values, if I take 2 pi, it becomes positive. So here increasing, in this range it is increasing, here decreasing, and again here increasing. Question 8. Find the maximum area of isosceles triangle inscribed in ellipse whose one vertex at major axis. This is major axis, this is minor axis, this is ellipse, one vertex at major axis. This is triangle ABC. So area of this triangle is, you have to prove maximum when ellipse is given to you, x square a square y square upon b square is equal to 1. This is equation 1. Area of triangle, isosceles triangle is maximum. मतलब डबल डिफरेंशिएट नेगेटिव आना चाहिए. So area is equal to half base into height. So I will take the coordinate x comma y. So till it is a, and this is x, and this is y, and this is minus y. So this is base is equal to 2y, and this is height a plus x. Now putting the values, area is equal to half 2y into a plus x. 2 cancel out, a is equal to y into a plus x. Now remove one variable and convert into one variable. So remove y. Here y, we can find the value of y from equation 1. From here you will get y is equal to b square upon a square under root y square is equal to b square upon a square under root a square. See here, y square upon b square is equal to, transpose it 1 minus x square upon a square, y square is equal to b square upon a square minus x square, y is equal to under root लिया तो b square upon a square हो गया b upon a under root a square minus x square. Put the value of y in the here, put value here. Y की जगह लिख देंगे area is equal to b upon a under root a square minus x square a plus x. Now area is maximum, इसका स्क्वायर भी क्या होगा, मैक्सिमम. b upon a स्क्वायर हट जाएगा, रूट हट जाएगा, a plus x whole square. Take it as z. Now again you simplify it, you have to simplify it. See here, z is equal to b square upon a square, a minus x, a plus x and a plus x whole square, it become a plus x whole cube. So now differentiate with respect to x. This is first function and this is second function. dz over dx is equal to b square upon a square. First function a minus x, differentiate of second 3a plus x whole square, x का 1 plus second a plus x whole cube minus first a का 0 minus x का minus 1. Now take dz over dx is equal to 0. So you will get a minus x 3 a plus x whole square, ये उधर जाके पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा, a plus x whole cube. This is cancel out. Now what is remaining? 3a minus 3x a plus x. So a comes that side and this will go that side. 2a is equal to 4x, a is equal to 2x, so x is equal to a by 2. Now check the value of double differentiate at a by 2. Now double differentiate it, d2z over dx square, it becomes b square upon a square. 3 you take it out, 3 also you can take it out. 3, either you can take 3 here. This is first function and this is second function. First function into differentiate of second, इसको करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा 2a plus x plus second a plus x whole square into differentiate of first minus 1. Now closed. Now you will do this. A minus a plus x whole cube, it is minus 3a plus x whole square. Now see here, simplify it, you will get d2z over dx square is equal to b square upon a square. 3 2 जा 6 and 3 it is overall into 3 कॉमन ले लीजिए. So ये हो जाएगा a 2a square minus 2x square. So it is 2 bracket a square minus x square plus a plus x whole square, a plus x whole square and minus 3a plus x whole square. Now you can see here, if I put a x is equal to a by 2 in this, what you will get dz by dt. इधर x a by 2 रखेंगे, इधर a by 2 रखेंगे, positive positive. Now a plus x whole square, it is also positive, only this is negative, so I will solve it. Now putting the values of this, you will get, take a plus x common, b square a square into 3 2 a square minus a square by 4 a square by 4 plus a by 2 का whole square plus minus 3a plus a by 2. Now solve it. What will come? It is 3a square by 2. So 3a square by 4. So it will come. We see that after solving, it will come less than 0. So z is maximum at x is equal to a by 2. Now find the area. Put a is equal to x is equal to a by 2 in equation. This you make it equation 2. So I will do it here. Area is equal to b upon a under root a square x, put x is equal to a by 2 minus a square by 4 a plus a by 2. So it is b upon a under root 3a square upon 2 and into 3a by 2. a cancel out, root हट गया तो 3 root 3 ab upon 4 square unit. This is the answer. Chapter 6, Maxima Minima, Application of Derivatives and Miscellaneous Exercise 6. Question number, we start with question number 9. A tank with rectangular base and rectangular side open at the top. This is the tank in the form of cuboid. It is open at the top, so that its depth is 2 meter, and volume is 8 meter cube. Height is 2 meter, volume is 8 meter cube. If the building of the tank cost is given to you 70 per square meter, rupees 70 per square meter for base and 45 per square meter for side. 45 per square meter for side. This is for base and this is for side. per meter square cost. So area of base निकालेंगे and area of four walls निकालेंगे, multiplied by 70 and 40, that is the cost. What is the cost of least expensive? So cost is least. Prove करना है, cost is least, volume is given. So I will take length x and breadth y. So length is equal to x meter, breadth is equal to y meter. So volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Volume is equal to length is x, breadth is y, x into y into 2, and volume is given to you here 8. Here it is 8. So this will cut. So xy is equal to 4. This is your first relation, or you can say that y is equal to 4 upon x. Y is equal to 4 upon x. Now what is the cost? Cost is equal to 70 into area of, this is A of base, plus 45 into area of, A means area of four walls, sides का four walls. We know that area of base is length into breadth. C is equal to 7 into x into y, length into breadth, plus 45 into area of four walls. What is area of four walls? 2 into length plus breadth into height. Height is 2. Now solve it. Here y we convert into one variable. We put the value of y from equation y. Y is equal to 4 upon x. Put it here. C is equal to 7 into x into 4 upon x plus 45 into 2, 90, 90 into 2, 180. X plus 4 upon x, x cut, so the cost is 70 into 4, 280 plus 180, x plus 4 upon x. Now we have to prove cost is minimum, so double differentiate क्या आना चाहिए? Positive आना चाहिए. So differentiate it with respect to x. This is 0 plus 180. X का 1 upon x का minus 4 upon x square, minus 4 upon x square. Now we make it dc upon dx is equal to 0 and find the coordinates of x. This implies 0 हो जाएगा, तो 4 upon x square is equal to 1, x square is equal to 4, x is equal to 2. Side negative नहीं होती, इसलिए I will take x is equal to 2. So we have to find d2c over dx square at x is equal to 2. So see here, differentiate of this 180, 1 का तो 0 हो जाएगा and minus 8 upon minus plus 8 upon x cube. So it is positive. If you put x is equal to 2, so the value of d2c over dx square is greater than 0. So cost is minimum at x is equal to 2. No, what is the cost? So here the length is x, 2 meter, and breadth you can find from here 2. Breadth is also 2. The cost is equal to, what is the cost? Put x and y here. This is our cost C. 280 plus 180, 2 plus 4 upon 2, this will cut 180 into 4, 720 is equal to 1000 rupees is the cost. Question 10. The sum of the parameter of circle and square. This is circle and this is square. The sum of parameter of circle and square, parameter of circle and square is given to you k. So this is given to you, parameter of circle is 2 pi r and side is x. So 4x is equal to k. This is given. Prove that the sum of the areas is least. एरिया क्या होना चाहिए? लीस्ट होना चाहिए, प्रूव करना है। तो डबल डिफरेंशिएट पॉजिटिव आएगा किसका? एरिया ऑफ सर्कल प्लस एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर इज लीस्ट when the side of the square, when side is equal to क्या होना चाहिए? x is equal to twice the radius. So what is the area of circle plus area of square? Area of circle is pi r square plus area of square is x. Now here two variables r and x, we remove r with the help of equation 1. From 1 here we can put the value of r. This you will take 2. From 1 you will get, from 1 2 pi r is equal to k minus 4x. R is equal to k minus 4x upon 2. R is equal to k minus 4x upon 2 pi. 2 pi. This is equation 3rd. Put 3 into. Here we put the value of R from 3. So area is equal to pi. R का स्क्वायर करेंगे k minus 4x होल स्क्वायर अपॉन 4 पाई स्क्वायर. 2 का स्क्वायर 4, पाई का स्क्वायर पाई स्क्वायर. दिस पाई पाई कैंसिल्ड आउट प्लस x square. So it becomes a is equal to 1 by 4 k minus 4x whole square 1 by 4 pi plus x square. Now differentiate it with respect to x. dA by dx is equal to 1 upon 4 pi x की पावर n. तो it means 2 into k minus 4x into minus 4. Minus 4x का 4 plus 2x. Now see, this 4 and this 4 cancel out. So dA over dx becomes minus 2 k minus 4x upon pi plus 2x. Now dA over dx is equal to 0. So it becomes, ये उधर चला जाएगा तो 0 हो जाएगा. तो it becomes 2x is equal to 2k minus 4x upon pi. This 2 cancel out, cross multiply. So pi x is equal to k minus 4x. K minus 4x. Now put the value of k from 1. इधर k की वैल्यू रख दो. Put value of k from equation 1. k की वैल्यू क्या है? 2 pi r plus 4x. Pi x is equal to, instead of k you write 2 pi r plus 4x minus 4x. This 4x cancel out. Now pi x is equal to 2 pi r. This pi cancel out. This implies x is equal to 2r. Side is twice the radius. Now double differentiate dA 2 over dx square at x is equal to 2r. इसको क्या प्रूव करना है? लीस्ट. इसका मतलब डबल डिफरेंशिएट क्या आना चाहिए? पॉजिटिव. Now double differentiate it. This is, now we can differentiate it. minus 2 upon pi, constant है k का 0 हो गया, minus minus plus, that is 8 upon pi and plus 2. So this is positive. So double differentiate dA over dx square is greater than 0. It means area is least at x is equal to 2r. At x is equal to 2r. Question number 11. A window is in the form of rectangle surmounted by a semicircular opening. The total parameter of this window, this is window. The total parameter of window is 10 meter फाइंड द डायमेंशंस ऑफ द विंडो, लेंथ, ब्रेड्थ एंड दिस रेडियस, है ना, आर। डायमेंशंस ऑफ द विंडो टू एडमिट द मैक्सिमम लाइट to the whole opening. So area is maximum. So this is given to you and this is to prove. And find dimensions. Let the radius I will take, r is equal to, I will take x meter, and breadth is equal to, I will take y meter. So this is x, so length is equal to 2x. रेडियस हो गया, रेडियस इज इक्वल टू x मीटर r, लेंथ हो गई आपके 2x मीटर एंड ब्रेथ हो गई y मीटर. सो पैरामीटर इज सम ऑफ ऑल साइड्स इज गिवन टू यू 10. सो पैरामीटर क्या क्या हो जाएगा, 2x प्लस 2y, यहां से स्टार्ट करते हैं, 2x y and y, 2y and this is semicircle. So what is the parameter of semicircle? Pi r. So it is pi x is equal to 10. This is given to you. This is equation 1. Now area is maximum. So area is equal to what? Area of rectangle plus area of semicircle. So area of rectangle is length into breadth. Length is 2x and breadth is y. So area of rectangle is 2xy plus area of semicircle pi r square by 2. So radius is x square by 2. Now here with two variables we remove y from equation 1. This is equation 2. From 1 you will get y. So 2y is equal to 10 minus pi x minus 2x. So 2 will come in down. This is equation 3. Put the value of y from equation 2 and 3. So it becomes area is equal to 2x bracket 10 minus pi x minus 2 pi upon 2 plus pi x square upon 2. These two cancel out and multiply x inside the bracket. You will get area is equal to 10x minus pi x square minus 2 pi x minus 2 pi x minus 2 pi minus 2y is here na, 2x 10 minus pi x minus 2 pi minus pi x minus 2x. Here I made mistake now. Pi x minus 2x. It is 2x. देखिए 2y इधर रह जाएगा, 10 minus pi x minus 2x. So it is minus 2x square. It is minus 2x square plus pi x square upon 2. So area becomes 10x minus 2x square. This is minus 1 and plus 1 by 2. 2 LCM लेंगे तो minus pi x square upon 2. इसको solve कर लीजिए. You will get this. Okay. Now we have to differentiate it with respect to x. dA by dx. So it is 10 minus 4x minus 2 pi x upon 2. 2 will 2 cancel out. So it becomes dA over dx is equal to 0 कर दीजिए. So this becomes 10 minus 4x minus pi x is equal to 0. So 10 is equal to 4x कॉमन ले लीजिए. Take x कॉमन and उधर जाके सब प्लस हो जाएगा. So 4 plus pi. So x is equal to, this implies x is equal to 10 upon 4 plus pi. x आ गया तो लेंथ क्या होगी 20 upon 4 plus pi. We have to find y, so put it in. First we have to prove it maximum. So double differentiation at x is equal to this, we have to calculate tan का हो गया 0 minus 4 and this is minus, where are this, here you have to double differentiate tan का 0 minus 4 and minus pi, 2 cancel out and it is minus pi, so it is negative less than 0. So dA over dx square is equal to less than 0. So area is maximum. So area is maximum. So length is 2x. So it is length is equal to 20 upon 4 plus pi and breadth. So y is equal to put, we have to find breadth is equal to y and y is equal to 1 by 2 bracket tan minus pi into x, tan upon 4 plus pi minus 2x minus 2 into tan upon 4 plus pi. Now take LCM, y is equal to 1 by 2 तो common है, 4 plus pi you will take LCM, so it becomes 40 plus 10 pi minus 10 pi and minus 20. So 10 pi cancel out and this is 40 minus 20 is 20 and divided by 2. So it will come 10 upon 4 plus pi. 10 upon 4 plus pi. This is breadth. Question number 11. Of 12. A point on the hypotenuse of a right triangle is at a distance of A and B from the sides of the triangle so that the length is minimum of the hypotenuse. This is a right triangle. Any point on a hypotenuse is P. I will take A and B. This is A, B, C. Drop a perpendicular from P to sides BC and AC. You will get this point, you will take M, this point you will take N, this is 90 also, this is 90, this is theta, and what it becomes, it is 90 minus theta, angle A. So this side is A and this is B, y axis is B, point AB. So what is the length? This is given to you. ABC is a right triangle, it is given to you. And so that the length of the hypotenuse is minimum. So given a triangle ABC is a right triangle and to prove करना है length of hypotenuse L is equal to AB is minimum and जो length है, what is the length? This also you have to prove A to the power 2 by 3 plus B to the power 2 by 3 to the power 3 by 2. ये आपको क्या करना है? प्रूव करना है length of the hypotenuse. Now I will start. So what is AB? L is equal to AB is bifurcation of AB is BP plus AP. BP plus AP. Now what is BP? What is BP in triangle, in right triangle PMB or PBM? You know that this is PB upon B is equal to H. Hypotenuse upon perpendicular is cosec theta. So PB is equal to B cosec theta. Similarly, in right triangle A and P, AP upon, this is what? AP upon A. So hypotenuse upon base h upon base is equal to sec theta is equal to h upon this is perpendicular ना, this is एंगल के सामने perpendicular, hypotenuse upon perpendicular is sin theta, here h upon cosec theta, so it is cosec a cosec 90 minus theta. This you understand? It is what? Hypotenuse and it is what? Perpendicular. So h upon p is perpendicular, hypotenuse upon perpendicular is cosec, and angle is 90 minus theta. Cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. This is h upon p. So AP is equal to a sec theta. A sec theta. So length is equal to, put it here, this and this, BP is b cosec theta plus a sec theta. This is equation 1. Now differentiate it with respect to theta. If I differentiate it, dl by d theta is equal to cosec का होता है minus b cosec theta cot theta plus sec का होता है a sec theta tan theta. So this is the differentiation. Now I will make dl by d theta is equal to 0. So when 0, so this will transpose that side. So a sec theta tan theta is equal to a b cosec theta cot theta. Now change into sin or cos. A1 upon cos theta sin upon cos theta, b1 upon sin theta into cos upon sin theta. Cross multiply, you will get a sin cube theta plus is equal to b cos cube theta. So साइन को इधर ले जाइए और a को इधर ले जाइए, तो साइन क्यूब थीटा अपॉन कॉस क्यूब थीटा इज इक्वल टू b अपॉन a. It means tan cube theta is equal to b upon a. It means tan theta is equal to b की पावर 1 by 3 a की पावर 1 by 3. Okay. Now we have to find double differentiate d2l by d theta को क्या प्रूव करना है? मिनिमम. So it will come maximum. So we have to double differentiate. Again we have to differentiate d2l by d theta square minus b. Take out common. So this you will take first function and this you will take second function. Now cosec का क्या होता है? Minus cos first function cosec theta into minus cot square theta plus second function cot theta minus cosec theta cot theta. This is over. Now I will take this first and this second. Now this bracket closed. Now again you take a common. First function sec theta into sec square theta plus second function tan theta और sec का क्या हो जाएगा? sec theta cosec theta. Now take out minus common. It is already minus. So d2l d theta square is equal to minus minus बाहर आ गया, प्लस हो गया b cosec theta and cot square theta plus cot square theta, cot into cot square theta cosec theta. फर्स्ट फंक्शन इनटू डिफरेंशिएट, इसका cosec स्क्वायर होता है माइनस cosec स्क्वायर. सो इट इज cosec क्यूब थीटा प्लस cot थीटा cot स्क्वायर थीटा cosec थीटा ब्रैकेट क्लोज्ड प्लस a sec क्यूब थीटा प्लस tan थीटा sec थीटा एंड tan थीटा. tan का क्या होता है? सेकंड sec थीटा tan थीटा. इट इज tan थीटा So it is tan square theta sec theta. So here you see that d2l by, here we clearly see that d2l d theta square is greater than 0, that is positive. So L is, length is minimum at tan theta is equal to b upon a to the power 1 by 3. Now this is P, this is perpendicular and this is base. So we have to find hypotenuse. We have to put the values of L in 1. इधर अपन को वैल्यू रखनी है sec cosec theta और sec theta की. So we need hypotenuse. So I will calculate it here. This you have to prove. So what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is equal to h is equal to under root p square, that is b to the power 2 by 3 plus a to the power 2 by 3. Now what is L? L is here b cosec theta plus a sec theta. So b cosec theta is what? H upon p. H upon p. Hypotenuse is h b upon 2/8 upon b की power 1 by 3. This is perpendicular and sec theta is a upon hypotenuse b 2 by 3 plus a 2 by 3 upon what is sec theta, what is base? Base is a 1 by 3. Now it will comes up, it will come up. So length is equal to, ये power minus हो जाएगी, it is 1 minus 1 2 by 3 under root b 2 by 3 plus a 2 by 3 plus a 2 by 3 b 2 by 3 plus a 2 by 3. Now you see that this is common. So L is equal to a 2 by 3 plus b 2 by 3 bracket में a 2 by 3 plus b 2 by 3. So this will gives you, if you add it, base is same, power is at a 2 by 3 plus b 2 by 3. This is 3 by 1 plus 1 by 2. So 3 by 2. This we have proved. Question number 17. In this, show that the height of cylinder of maximum volume that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius r. Height of cylinder of maximum volume. Cylinder is inscribed in a sphere. So volume of cylinder is maximum. This is like radius of cylinder. Radius of cylinder B R and height h. This is R, this is h, and radius of sphere is given to you capital R O A, and this you take B. So this is h by 2 and this is h by 2. So given is radius of sphere, that is R, and to prove volume of cylinder is maximum, and its height you have to prove h is equal to 2r upon root 3. This you have to prove. Now given here in triangle OAB, r square is equal to small r square h upon 2 का whole square, Pythagoras theorem. So r square is equal to r square minus h square upon 4. This is equation 1, and volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. This is 2. So I remove here r from equation 1. So remove r from equation 1, put the value of r, you will get V is equal to pi R. What is R? R is, what is R square? What is R square? Here you have to put the value of R square. So R square is capital R square minus H square upon 4 into H. Now, what is the volume? Multiplied it pi R square H minus H cube upon 4. Now we have to differentiate it with respect to H. dV by dH is equal to pi R square minus 3H square upon 4. Now dV by dH is equal to 0. So it becomes R square is equal to 3H square upon 4. Taking square on both sides, under root 3H upon 4. This implies H is equal to 4 by square root 2, 2R upon root 3. So this is the height of the cylinder. Now you have to prove it. It is maximum. Volume is maximum at H is equal to 2R by root 3. So double differentiation is negative. So d2V by dH square at H is equal to 2R upon root 3 is equal to R square का तो 0 हो गया minus 3 into H 3 into 2H upon 4. It becomes minus 3 by 2H. So it is negative. So d2V by dH square is less than 0. So volume is V is maximum at H is equal to 2R by root 3. Now maximum volume is put in equation. Let this equation be 3. So maximum volume from equation 3. So put the value of H. So V is equal to pi R square, what is S? 2R by root 3 into 2R by root 3 minus H cube. So H cube it 8R cube upon 3 root 3. 8R cube upon 4 into 3 root 3. Now this will cut 2. So V is equal to, I will take common 2R cube. So it becomes R into R cube. So pi into 2R cube upon root 3 I will take common. So instead of this it is 1 and minus 2R cube upon this is outside minus 1 by 3. So it is V is equal to pi into 2R cube upon root 3 into 2 by 3. So it becomes 2 into 2 4. So volume is 4 pi R cube upon 3 root 3 cubic unit. Question 18. So that the height of cylinder of greatest volume which can be inscribed in a right circular cone, cylinder can be inscribed in a right circular cone A, B, C, which can be inscribed in right circular cone of height of cone is given is equal to H. This is H. Height of cone is H and semi-vertical angle is alpha is 1/3 of the cone. So height of cylinder is, let height of cylinder be X, take it X, and radius is R. Radius is R. So height of cylinder prove करना है X is equal to 1/3 of cone and volume of cylinder is greatest. Volume of cylinder is greatest. Prove. So double differentiate of cylinder is negative and volume becomes 4 upon 27 pi h cube 10 square alpha. 10 square alpha. This volume of cylinder, V of cylinder is this. Now, you have to prove this. So, volume of cylinder is pi r square x. Pi r square x. This is equation 1. And given it is semi-vertical angle of cone is alpha. So, in triangle ABC, so this is A, this is B. So what is AB? AB is H minus X. This is H and this is X. So AB is equal to, in triangle ABC, AB is equal to H minus X and BC is equal to R. So tan alpha is equal to P upon B. P is R, base is H minus X. Now, cross multiply, R is equal to H minus X tan alpha. This is equation 2. Now, we remove the variable R from equation 2. So, put 2 in 1, we get V is equal to pi r ka square 10 square alpha into x. Expand it with a minus b whole square and then t. V is equal to pi 10 square alpha h square plus x square minus 2hx into x. So V is equal to pi 10 square alpha h square x plus x cube minus 2 hx square. Now, so height is constant because given it is h is given to you. So differentiate with respect to x. This is constant. Now it is h square x ka 1 plus 3x square minus 4 2 to the 4hx. Now, dv by dx is equal to 0. This implies h square plus 3x square minus 4hx is equal to 0. So, take it quadratic equation in h. So, product is 4. So, split this middle term 3 को split कर दीजिए. Take this equation like as quadratic equation, splitting 3x. Product is 4. Instead of 3x square, you can rearrange it in descending order of h. So it is or h square minus 4hx plus 3x square is equal to 0. Now consider it is a quadratic equation in h. 3x is constant, 3x square. So instead of 4h, you can write h square 3 3 minus 3hx minus hx plus 3x square is equal to 0. Taking h common, h minus 3x minus x common, h minus 3x is equal to 0. Again h minus 3x is common. In other bracket, h minus x is equal to 0. This implies height of cylinder not equals to x. So h is equal to 3x. This implies x is equal to h by 3. Now at x is equal to h by 3, we have to prove volume of cone, volume of cylinder is greatest. So greatest prove करना है तो d2v by dx square at x is equal to h by 3 is equal to differentiate it pi 10 square alpha. This 0, this is 6x minus 4 h. Now put the value of x here. It is h by 3. So it is 2. So it comes minus 2h tan square alpha. So it is negative. It is negative. This means this is less than 0. So volume is maximum. Now we have to find maximum volume. So I put the value of x in equation. This is 3. In equation 3, see here, v is equal to pi tan square alpha h square plus 3x square. Instead of x, you can write h by 3. Instead of x, you can write h by 3. So it is h square x into h by 3 plus h cube upon 27 minus 2h into h square by 9. Now v is equal to pi tan square alpha h cube by 3 plus h cube by 27 minus 2h cube by 9. V is equal to pi tan square alpha, take 27 LCM. So it is 3 9s are 9h cube, 3 9s are 9h cube plus h cube minus 4h cube. So it is 10h cube minus 4, 6. 10 minus 9 3s are, it is 6. So it is v is equal to pi tan square alpha into 4h cube upon 27. So this comes to be 4 upon 27 h cube pi h cube tan square alpha. This you have to prove.